Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com and I'm back with another video. If you're brand new to my channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. Today is National Coffee Day. So what I would want to do is go ahead and make a really quick card featuring the press-on stamp set. This is in our holiday catalog, or better known as the August to December mini catalog. So I'm going to be using the press-on cling stamp set. I'm going to be using these little cups right here. The sentiment that says, all you need is confidence and a lot of coffee. And hope your day is full of perks, along with the little coffee beans. I think they're so cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not doing a lot of fancy embellishments or anything like that. It's going to be quick and easy. So off the bat, what I'm going to be working with is a piece of Very Vanilla that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. This is a thick Very Vanilla. I have a piece of Early Espresso that measures 4 by 5 1/4. I also have a piece of regular Very Vanilla that measures 3 3/4 by 5, and I have a Very Vanilla envelope. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me move these out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stamping on the regular Very Vanilla, excuse me, Very Vanilla cardstock. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is well. It's fall now and the weather is starting to change, getting a little bit cooler, so it's time for some warm coffee as opposed to the my cold brew coffee that I normally love. So I'm gonna press that down there. Oh, cool. And also right underneath here, I'm gonna do something a little different than I did before. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do this again. This one says all you need is all you need is confidence and lots of coffee. Ink that up. And I'm going to put that down here in the corner. Cool. Just like that. And I'm going to set that aside for just a moment. I'm going to stamp some more, but I'm going to do this first. So what I'm going to do, these are really small. Now you can color, you can leave them blank. You can color them in with a variety of coloring mediums. We have the Stampin' Right markers. You can use your Stampin' Blends. Today, what I'm going to be using are just some of the of our watercolor markers. And I'm just really lightly, nothing really big, nothing deep or heavy, just coloring some of these little lines in. And so this one was Real Red. This is Granny Apple Green. So I'm coloring like the little band in. And then I'm going to color, this one is Bermuda Bay. Really fun stamp set. Okay. Then I'm going to color, this one is Daffodil Delight. Now this one, I need to get my pencil sharpener so I can sharpen this bad boy up. So I'm going to do every other line. And then this one is Pumpkin Pie. And I'm going to do, these little dots. Little dots. This would work best if you have a very sharp pencil. The pencil has been, to a point, but we're going to make this work. And I'm just coloring in, basically dotting these little dots. And this is basic gray, and I don't want it to seem like they're just up there. So I'm going to put a little basic gray underneath there, like a little shadow. And you know what? You can do it however you would want to do it. There's no right or wrong way. I guess there technically is, but I am not a colorist, so I'm going to do it how I see fit, and that'll be fine. And so this one is Early Espresso, and I'm going to do parts of the little lid. Just the lids, not the whole lid, like the little band. And you'll be able to see it when I'm finished. I know my hands are probably in the way, and I apologize for that. There we go, and that's all for that. So now what we're going to do is color it in, a little bit with the Wink of Stella. And that will give it a little bit of bling, as well as coloring it all the way in to the lines. So I hope everyone is doing well. If you're interested in any of the materials that I am using today, I will leave a link down below. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and you can find these products on my website in my Stampin' Up! Store. If you do not have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator and help you with any of your shopping needs. And if you do have a demonstrator, feel free to go ahead and shop with them. But this is the press-on one. This is so cute. I'm just dabbing the little dots here. And I'm gonna do the little lids as well. Give it a little bit of bling. Why not? And there you go. We're finished with that. So now we have our Thick Whisper White. Now I forgot to score it. I usually like to score this on my scoring tool, so I can get a nice, crisp, clean edge, but we're going to do that. I'm going to do it this way. Okay. And so now we're going to do the inside. There's a couple of things that I wanted to stamp on the inside. So I will bring my ink back. And on the inside, I'll leave the message, hope your day is full of perks. Make sure I have it the right way. Nothing worse than stamping something and it's upside down. That'll be no fun. Oh, that's a little crooked, but you know what? I'm good with that. I'm good with that. And I'm just gonna put some coffee beans right off the side. Set that aside. Now we can put this card together. I have my stamp and seal. I'm gonna do all four sides. And we will center. We will center that. And we will center this as well. And we'll put this like so. And then for our envelope, let's do a few coffee beans on the envelope as well. And there we go. All done. Let's move these out of the way. And here is our quick card for the day for National Coffee Day. And again, I used the press-on stamp set from our August to December mini catalog. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll leave a description of all the materials that I use in the description box below. And make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the little notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Have a great day. Bye.